Let's now go across to Shah Rukh Khan's press conference. He's explaining his behavior last night. He now faces ban by the Maharashtra Cricket Association, which says that he behaved very badly when he came into Wankhede Stadium last night.
I think IPL के भी कुछ officials थे, तो उनमें से किसी ने मुझे कुछ कहा कि यार वो we will call the head here. I said, yeah, please call the head here and tell them not to speak to me like this, because I think I don't know if these were the people who were in charge there or how officially high they were. One of them said that I said, please call your person who's in charge for not talking to me like this. No, I think they should apologize to me for behaving the way they behave. I don't think they're extremely high-handed, and they are extremely high-handed. I don't think I'm a member there already, and personally, if this is the kind of behavior that is meted out to people at their stadium, I personally would not like to go myself. So I don't know about this ban and stuff. Let them decide, because I think there is this extreme attitude of high-attitudiness, high-handedness when it comes to behaving. And all of them, you know, there were more people than you are right now who are rushing at me and aggressively, and I'm extremely disturbed that they should manhandle children in the name of security. I mean, what? They're little kids. We attend matches. They were leaving the stadium, and there is no right to touch little girls who are not even 13 years old physically. And I think that is completely unpardonable. And a lot of things they're saying on television is because obviously they're the only ones there, so they can say what they want. But I think it's unpardonable that you physically and manhandle children in the name of security. What are the kids going to do? We were not on the pitch. We were on the side. Actually, if the videos and photographs are there, they can check it. We were on the side. The kids were throwing ball and catching, and they caught these little girls and started pushing. And that's when I got really angry. I was on top, actually, and I saw it from there. So I think it's unpardonable. I don't know. नहीं, मैंने उनसे बात नहीं की है, और मैं करूँगा. मैं उनको पर्सनली जानता हूँ. I will give him a call and I'll explain my side to him. And I would really actually, you know, they're talking about complaints, etc. I think I should write a written complaint on the behavior they meted out and the language they spoke. And I don't think it's. I don't even want to repeat it, because I think it's a very small way to think in today's time and age in our country what this is. अगर पाबंदी लगाई होगी तो कैसे जाएंगे? I didn't go for the match. I went to pick up my children. I have no interest, and it does not change my line of being or my life by not allowing me to some stadium. There's no action for me. What action? I wish I can still find the gentleman who spoke rudely, and I just think it's completely wrong how they're behaving. I have no clarification to give. My only clarification is that I think they should look into their association and know how to behave when people are there, and they cannot every time under the garb of having some. They cannot under the garb of having some self-imposed security rules behave high-handedly with people, and especially with children. You cannot manhandle children, even I'm saying, and my kids were not in the wrong. There were 30 children. Even if the kids were misbehaving a little, you don't physically manhandle them. Finish. No, I don't know. I don't know how this procedure works. Ask me one by one, please. No, I don't think so. I don't know what it means they're doing कानूनी कार्रवाई. तो वो जो करेंगे तो हमारे लॉयर्स उसको फाइट काट लो हाउ दिस गोज। नहीं, मैंने किससे बात, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं है, मुझे तो पता नहीं। मैं एक्चुअली वहाँ पर गया था बच्चों को लेने, एंड देन आई वेंट टू द होटल टू congratulate the team. They were leaving for Pune, and I still stand by the fact. I mean, I've been hearing stories that I was abusive to some girl. Nothing like this. If nothing else, I have a huge sportsman spirit. We played this game for too many years, and to be abusive to fans or audiences, that's not what I do because I'm an actor. No, I'm hearing stories that I was abusive to some girl. Nothing like this. If nothing else, I have a huge sportsman spirit. We played this game for too many years, and to be abusive to fans or audiences, that's not what I do because I'm an actor. No, the cops are trying to stop those people from coming to me and me going to them, so they were in the middle. But there was no altercation with them. Yeah, of course, they were trying to stop me from... There was a gentleman who was a little short with glasses. If I see him somewhere giving one of the interviews, I would know. But I think what he said was completely unpardonable, and I don't think they're claiming that I was physically something with a security officer. As a matter of fact, they handle little girls, and I think that's completely wrong.
शाहरुख खान का ब्लड सैंपल लिया जाएगा कि वो उस टाइम पे ड्रग्स थे या अल्कोहल केस में थे।
Okay. Yeah, the kids, they were very...
Shahrukh was Suhana.
Little girls. See, I don't want... They're little children. Let's not bring the names of children into this. But yeah, they were misbehaving. They were not nice to little kids and physically manhandled them. And I don't think that is pardonable. And if they think that my behavior is wrong, if somebody touches children who are with me, I completely disagree with it. I think my behavior is completely correct. And if somebody was to manhandle or physically look at my children or the children that I have taken the responsibility to go for a match, I would still do the same thing.
But Shahrukh Khan ko aapne autograph nahi diya tha, jo ki Mumbai Indians ki thi.
Right. We are not like this. All little children are my children. Audience, people who come. I go after losing a match and say thank you to everyone in the in the stadiums. I think with all due respect to this organizations, if anyone's got sportsman spirit, I have the maximum of it. And I would never ever. We are actors. We are public figures. We would never ever be abusive or disregard an audience. And not for a small thing like, and after winning a match, why would I be, being rude to a little child or a fan? I mean, I wave out to everyone, even in Kolkata, if my team loses, I shake hands with everyone. I think that's completely, I've been listening to some of the interviews that gentleman is giving, and I think, pardon my French, but he speaks crap. I said, please call. वो बोल गया।
ऑडियो भी रिलीज किया गया है। उस ऑडियो में ये सुनाई दे रहा है कि शाहरुख जो है वो किसी को गालियां दे रहे हैं, ऐसा ऑडियो एमसी ने...
No, I will not deny the fact that I was abusive. It's not something, you don't need rocket science to know that. But it started when this gentleman from behind came and abused me in Marathi first. And then I told him, speak with me in Hindi. So he said something which was, I think in today's time and age in our country, it is something that should not be spoken. And that's when I told him, I said, this is my city, my country, don't speak to me like this. And I don't even want to repeat because it will get shades which are not right. And he must have said, and they were all very aggressive. All of them came down, 30 of them, physically charging like this. And I don't know, I'm not trying to behave like a macho guy here, but it's not nice when I've taken 30 children with me, little boys and girls, and 40 grown-up people come aggressively towards me. I will stand my ground, and I think it was completely correct on my part to stand there and let them know that they can't just physically push anyone out of there. There was nothing illegal. I was not on the pitch. I know the rules. We go in Kolkata, we play on other grounds. You're not allowed to go in the pitch after the match, and so we were not there. The pitches were covered, we were on the side, the kids were playing there. And I think the way that security gentleman came and pushed the little girls, I think that was completely wrong, and that's what I told him. And yes, then after that, once this gentleman abused me, yes, I did abuse. And I don't think, that's an anger. And they were being aggressive, so I became aggressive back. And when I hear them say what they're saying, I truly believe, with all due respect to, their spokespeople, I think they don't need to have this high-handed, holier-than-thou attitude about how I behave. I think they behave extremely, extremely irresponsibly.
Shahrukh, do you think getting targeted with the did you have that? Are you targeted?
I'll tell you what. Let me be honest. One second, Alan. One second. I'll be very honest. A lot of people, when they see a celebrity, they like to push their weight around, behave a little obnoxious. And it is unfortunate that so many of them at the same time collectively wanted to, I don't know, get a cheap thrill by behaving like this. It happens to me very often. It happens to a lot of actors and actresses that people like to say things to them because, you know, they just don't, it's an attitude with the celebrities. So I think their behavior started off because of that. And they're grown-ups. And they are supposedly, you know, the controllers of an association, and I think it should behave a little better, not only with celebrities, with normal people also.
Shahrukh, do you think you were targeted?
You have and accreditation to be on field because that's one of the charges being leveled against you. And what were you doing there? Did you want some sort of on the field?
No. Why would I want to find on the field after the match is over? I went to say hello to my children were there. They wanted to see the match. I normally don't go in, you know, because kids go, they like to enjoy themselves. So I went there to pick them up post the match. At the 18th over, I left from my house. I thought I'd reach by the prize distribution ceremony and pick up my children and come back in the bus with them. They had a bus waiting outside for them. So I went to pick up my kids. When I reached there, the whole stadium was obviously empty. I got late. And I had no security, as a matter of fact. The security I got was in the stadium because I went alone. I just told my driver and I sat with my sister and I went there. And once I reached inside, I saw my players. All of them were also not there actually. So I went and said congratulations to them. While I was coming down, I saw this gentleman who they are claiming is old. Yeah, he must be he's a little old guy. But he was pushing little girls around. And I came down running and I said, I don't think you should be touching them. I said, don't touch them. And he kept on whistling and pushing them. And then one gentleman came from behind and he was a little aggressive and I didn't like that. So I wasn't there wanting to be on the field. I wasn't there claiming that I want to play cricket there or something. No, I didn't want to play. I just wanted to pick up my kid. No, there was a, you know, when they started all coming like this, the police came in the middle because they. So I just stood my ground and I said, yeah, come. Well, there was a guy who was physically wanting to act up, and unfortunately, seeing his size and his, you know, the way he was, he shouldn't have actually tried. But then the cops came in the middle, and the gentleman was very nice. He kept on saying, "Aap abhi chale jaye. We'll deal with it later. Aap abhi chale jaye." And you know, my cops were there, so we just kind of left them.
एक आखिरी सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि वो जो विटनेस बोल रहा है कि लड़की को आपने जो फैन आई थी उसको गाली दी, कहीं वो आपको फंसाने की कहीं
वो बिल्कुल हर तरह से झूठ है। मैं हर रोज फैन से मिलता हूँ। मैं सैटरडे संडे को अपने घर से बाहर निकल के लोगों से मिलता हूँ और मैच जीतने या हारने के बाद हमने कभी भी किसी से बदअखलाकी या बदतमीजी नहीं की। एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट हमारी जो KKR की ओनरशिप है या वैसे भी कहा जाए तो हम सबसे ज्यादा स्पोर्ट्समैन लाइक हैं। हम हर टीम को मिलते हैं, अपनी ऑडियंस को जब हम हारते हैं जीतते हैं सबको गले लगाते हैं। आई थैंक everyone who comes to watch the matches because this is what we live for. We live with the audience. And it will be very small of me at this age and stage to look at another fan from another team when my team has won and misbehaved. I mean, you know, it's very unfortunate what the gentleman is saying. And I think it's, like I said, I don't think, you know, it's very easy to take on a celebrity and keep on saying what you wish to and everybody will believe. It's extremely fashionable. Oh, he was drunk. Oh, he was abusive. Oh, he was angry. And, you know, it's their association, so most of those guys who are present there, they should even, as a matter of fact, you know, look at themselves, how they were behaving for no reason at all. I wasn't wanting to be on the field. I didn't want to do anything with them. I just came to pick my children up and I wanted to go. And I think what they did is completely wrong.